Welcome back, adventurers. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van, a vehicle that is set to redefine the van life experience. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for quick getaways or a full-time nomad chasing the horizon, this van promises to be one of the most capable and versatile options on the market. We'll dive into its key features, specs, powertrain options, performance, design, technology, comfort, off-grid capabilities, pricing, and expected release date. So, let's get started. The 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van is built on the tried-and-true Ford Transit platform, which has been a favorite among van lifers, fleet owners, and upfitters. Ford offers multiple configurations, including standard and extended wheelbases, low and high roof options, and different drivetrain choices to fit a variety of needs. The extended high roof version is particularly appealing to those who want a spacious interior for sleeping, cooking, and working remotely. One of the biggest highlights of this model is the factory camper-ready package. Unlike traditional vans that require extensive aftermarket conversions, Ford is expected to offer upfit-friendly features, including reinforced flooring, pre-installed wiring harnesses for solar and battery hookups, and improved insulation to regulate temperature more efficiently. Additionally, the 2025 Transit will likely support third-party conversion kits for a seamless camper van build-out. The 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van comes with a choice of powertrains tailored to different driving needs. The standard model is powered by a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6 engine, producing around 275 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. This engine is known for its reliability and decent fuel economy. For those needing extra power, Ford offers an optional 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged EcoBoost V6, delivering approximately 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine is ideal for hauling heavy camper setups, tackling steep inclines, or maintaining higher speeds on long road trips. Both engines are mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and optimal efficiency. When it comes to drivetrain options, the rear-wheel drive, RWD version is the standard setup, but many adventurers will appreciate the available all-wheel drive, AWD variant, which offers better traction on slippery roads, gravel trails, and light off-road terrain. The AWD system intelligently adjusts power between the front and rear wheels, making it perfect for exploring remote locations without the need for a full 4x4 conversion. In terms of fuel efficiency, while official EPA estimates haven't been released, the Transit is expected to deliver around 17 to 19 miles per gallon, depending on the configuration and weight of the camper build. While not the most fuel-efficient camper van on the market, it balances power and practicality well. One of the biggest questions surrounding the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van is whether an electric or plug-in hybrid variant will be available. While Ford already offers the E-Transit, a fully electric cargo van, its range is limited to about 126 miles per charge. This makes it less ideal for long-distance road trips unless significant charging infrastructure is available. However, Ford has been exploring hybrid technology, and there is speculation that a plug-in hybrid Transit could emerge in the near future. A hybrid model would combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor, providing extended range while reducing emissions and fuel consumption. This could be a game-changer for eco-conscious van lifers. For those planning to live off-grid, Ford's ProPower onboard system, borrowed from the F-150 hybrid, could be a key feature. This system acts as a built-in power generator, providing 2.4 to 7.2 kilowatts of electricity, enough to power appliances, tools, and even an air conditioning unit. Additionally, many third-party camper conversions integrate lithium battery packs for extended power storage, roof-mounted solar panels for energy independence, inverter systems to power 110-volt appliances, and external shore power hookups for charging at RV parks. These features allow adventurers to go fully off-grid while maintaining modern comforts like lighting, refrigeration, and even Wi-Fi. Step inside the 2025 Ford Transit Camper Van, and you'll find a modern, functional, and customizable interior. The driver's cockpit includes a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen powered by Ford's Sync 4 system. This system includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates, a 360-degree camera system for better visibility when parking and maneuvering, and Ford Copilot 360, a suite of advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Moving to the living space, high-roof models provide over 6 feet of interior height, making it comfortable for most adults to stand up inside. The layout options include seating for up to 5 passengers, with modular bed and storage configurations available. Some conversion options even include a pop-top roof, allowing additional sleeping space for families or travel partners. For comfort in different climates, expect factory insulation upgrades, along with optional diesel or electric heaters, ventilation fans, and rooftop AC units for year-round usability. Ford has equipped the 2025 Transit with enhanced safety features to provide peace of mind during long trips. Standard safety tech includes pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and hill start assist for tackling steep inclines. The van's body structure is reinforced to withstand heavy loads, and the suspension is tuned for stability, even when fully loaded with camper gear. Pricing for the 2025 Ford Transit camper van varies widely depending on the trim level and upfit options. The base cargo van starts around $47,400, making it one of the more affordable full-size vans in its class. However, once you add factory camper-ready features or opt for a professional conversion, prices can range significantly higher. Factory upfitted camper versions are expected to start at $65,000 to $80,000, while high-end custom conversions can go beyond $150,000, depending on luxury features, off-grid power solutions, and interior craftsmanship. Comparing this to competitors like the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and Ram ProMaster, the Ford Transit stands out for its balance of price, features, and ease of servicing. The 2025 Ford Transit camper van is expected to hit dealerships in fall 2024, with factory orders likely opening a few months earlier. However, availability may vary depending on supply chain conditions and regional demand. If you're considering a camper conversion, it's recommended to place an order early to secure a build slot. The 2025 Ford Transit camper van is shaping up to be one of the best options for van life enthusiasts. With multiple configurations, a choice of powerful engines, optional AWD, and a host of factory and aftermarket conversion possibilities, it's an excellent choice for travelers seeking reliability, comfort, and adventure-ready features. For those wanting factory-built convenience, waiting for Ford's official camper-ready package could be worthwhile. However, for DIY builders or those seeking full customization, the base Transit provides an exceptional foundation for a dream camper van. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2025 Ford Transit camper van. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth vehicle reviews. Drop a comment below. Would you take this van on your next adventure? Safe travels, and see you in the next video.